Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of the Vindax cryptocurrency exchange. Vindax is a versatile trading platform designed to cater to both beginner and experienced traders. It offers an extensive range of trading pairs, robust security features, and a user-friendly interface, making it an ideal choice for crypto enthusiasts looking to maximize their trading experience. Begin by navigating to the Vindax homepage, where you'll see the latest market trends and trading pairs displayed prominently. Create an account by clicking the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Enter your email, create a strong password, and complete the verification process. Once logged in, secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication in the security settings. Now, explore the platform's trading dashboard. Here, you can view real-time price charts, access order book data, and execute trades seamlessly. The platform supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to niche altcoins, providing ample opportunities for diversification. To deposit funds, head to the Wallets section, where you can generate deposit addresses for different cryptocurrencies. Select your desired coin, copy the address, and transfer funds from your external wallet. Deposits are quick and tracked directly in your account balance. Ready to trade? Go to the Exchange section, where you can choose between basic and advanced trading interfaces. Place market or limit orders, depending on your strategy, and track your portfolio's performance in real time. The platform's low trading fees and high liquidity make it a cost-effective option for executing trades efficiently. Don't forget about the rewards. New users signing up through https://lnk.do/jqucoif are eligible for exclusive bonuses. These can be used to boost your initial trading activity and enhance your potential profits. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Maximize your experience by exploring Vindax's additional features, such as staking opportunities, spot trading, and advanced market analysis tools. Take advantage of its educational resources to deepen your understanding of crypto trading and improve your strategies. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cryptocurrency tutorials and insights.